Here in Spokane County, there's been another big jump in cases. 112 more people have been diagnosed. 2 more people have died, raising the death toll to 162 people.
Hospitals in Spokane are now preparing for those COVID-19 cases to mix in with flu cases this fall and winter. There is concern about the number of active cases still spreading in Spokane County, but there's also a chance this flu season won't be as severe. Mayor Kawash explains why there's reason for optimism. Mayor.
We're all used to wearing a mask in public and social distancing at this point. Those daily precautions we're taking now could actually mean fewer people will catch the flu this winter. It's something other countries are already seeing right now.
The last 6 months of this COVID-19 pandemic have been a learning experience for all of us. Now those lessons learned may just help us fight another respiratory virus like the flu. That's what Australia is seeing right now in the middle of winter.
In Australia, they've had a very light flu season, really because they're masking, they're social distancing, they're hand washing, and again, they're getting vaccinated.
Dr. Dan Getz of Providence Health says he's already seen patients earlier this year infected with the flu and COVID-19 at the same time.
If you're dealing with 2 viral infections, your body is now having to mount a response on 2 different fronts. It's basically like fighting a war on 2 fronts, and it's much more difficult.
That's when the lessons learned over the last 6 months come into play. Getz feels like local hospitals are more prepared to handle a mix of COVID and flu cases. Part of that is because they've learned what treatments work best for COVID-19, like remdesivir, an antiviral drug.
The death rates are declining. And so we're getting better at treating that disease, especially in people with severe illness.
Recovering from COVID-19 and the flu at the same time will depend on how healthy a person is. You could expect older people to still have the hardest time staying healthy over the next several months, especially as people spend more time indoors.
That's the thing about these respiratory viruses, which influenza is as well, COVID is. They spread very easily.
The flu shot won't protect you from COVID-19, but it gives you the best chance at staying healthy this winter. And as we've learned this year, hospital capacity is important, and a flu shot may keep you out of a hospital bed.
Looks like the vaccine that we have this year hits it pretty good. It should give us pretty good protections.
Now, Dr. Getz tells me there has been a slight uptick in hospitalizations here in Spokane County in the last week and a half, and that was expected after the long Labor Day weekend. But overall, all of Spokane's local hospitals are doing well with capacity right now.